All right. In our last class,
Okay.
we talked about the theories of support and resistance. So let me quickly do a quick recap. I told you that on support zones, we are looking at to do what? To buy. And on resistance zone, we're looking at to do what?
Goodbye. Sorry.
On resistance, we're looking at.
So,
I made it to understand that we don't only have one resistance or support on the chart,
mm,
whereby there can be multiple resistance and support in the chart, but the position of the trend determines what that zone is being called. And I told you when I mentioned the word zone, I'm referring to either resistance or support. Like this, at this level,
mm,
here's
mm,
acting as resistance, while at this level, here's acting as support because the chart is resting on top of
on
this.
it.
Why this is resting under? But as you can see, it broke out from here, now resting on it. So here is now what? Support, here is now resistance, and vice versa. If it comes down like this now, here is back to being support, and here is back to being what? Resistance. Let me quickly show you the live chart example. Can you see this? I see my chart.
Mm, yes, I can.
Let's take a look at this. I drew this before this happened. I didn't have had this class before. You would have seen it. Now look at what happened. It came down here. Here is
I haven't.
acting as what? Support. It went up, acted resistance. Now it has broken this.
Mm, mm,
It came down here. Now it's acting as support. I see what happened.
mm,
It bought again, broke this one from
yeah,
there.
yeah.
I
Mm,
see
mm, mm,
application of it.
mm,
Now I also told you that you don't just come on the line and draw any line and expect the market to respect it. There are things to look out for when drawing it. You don't just come and
okay.
put a line here. I expect the chart to come and be following those lines. No. Now, and I
Mm, mm,
part for is what from your notes, the candle wicks.
mm,
And I also told you something about major and minor pairs. The bigger the time frame, the stronger the zone, right?
mm.
Yeah.
Sorry, come. The bigger the time frame, the stronger the zone.
Yes. Let's say that this if this why you are seeing many lines here is because this is on the 5 minutes time frame. You are seeing how easily it broke from here to here.
Okay.
When if I go to the 1 hour time frame, for example, now 1 hour time frame, on my 1 hour time frame, where I have my support and resistance now are these places I'm going to box. Here is my resistance. I seen it. Then here's one of my another major support and resistance. I seen it took it how many hours to move from point A to point B. It took a longer period of time. It took a longer period of time to move from here to this level. I seen it. Now it has broken this zone. Are you with me? It has broken this zone. Hello, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
It has broken this zone. Now look at what it has done. Now it wants to start doing what? Continue pushing to the next resistance. That is the next 1 hour resistance, which is this place now. I seen it. But on the smaller time frame, they can easily break those smaller ones because they are minor what? They are minor zones. Same thing that is applicable to your trends. When you have your 5 minutes trend, you can see an uptrend can easily form on the 5 minutes. Like this, it's already forming.
Mm,
10 minutes is starting.
mm,
1 hour it has not started, just a candle. That's what I mean by major
mm,
and minor. Is that clear?
yeah.
With that being said, I'll be opening a blank chart so that you can work on it. Now, this is a new chart. This is a blank chart. We'll be using these blank charts. Now, nothing has been done on this. Now, for you to draw resistance and support zones, since the level of high rejection, you can start
Mm,
daily, the daily time frame. For example, when you go to your daily time frame. Okay, first, I'll be teaching how to navigate this trading view. You understand me?
mm.
Now, in this trading view, you are seeing my cursor, right? If you click anything here and drag this in like this, what is doing? You can move it anyhow you like. Let's see what I'm doing.
Mm, mm, mm,
So come to this here where you have the pips. Place your cursor here, you can do this. I see what it's doing. I'm stretching it, like I'm compressing it. Also expand. This is expansion. I see it. Also expand. So these are the functions. The function you need to note. Then the next thing you can do, you can zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. On your MT4 platform on your phone, on your laptop, you can't be able to do this. That's why this is a professional charting software whereby you can do all this. Like I can adjust the charts anyhow I want to see it clearly. I can compress it to make it smaller, zoom out. Now, it's in your best interest to be able to optimize this thing to look very well. So you can be able to see the candles clearly. I see the candles clearly like this. You can also see the wicks clearly too. But if it's looking like this now, you know you're not seeing anything clear. You can't differentiate between the wicks and the candles. Are you seeing it? So you can zoom in, you zoom in. You adjust. That's why that's why I'm doing all this and you adjust. Now you're seeing it clearly. If it's looking small, you stretch it out. Are you seeing it? On this place. Hope you understood this navigation.
Not so well.
I said on this place.
Yeah, to compress and to expand now.
Yes, you get the hang of it. Just about you optimizing, you zoom out, you stretch out. Now, the reason for doing this is this. If I change time frame to a bigger time frame, look how it Eisner is looking like. It's not being organized, but let me set it well. I'll do what? I'll compress it down first. Eisner is looking now. And if I'm not seeing it clearly, I can decide to do what? Zoom in a bit, or I can zoom out, zoom in a bit. I seen it. Looking okay now. Now, if I go to the daily time frame, it will look somehow scattered again. I seen it. So what do? I still come to here and do what? Stretch it what? First. Stretch it down. I see it's looking. Now I can see a clear chart. I can see the candles clearly. I can zoom in. Now you are seeing everything.
Yeah.
If I go to a smaller time frame, 1 hour.
Yeah.
1 hour, it looks too small like this. What do? I stretch it out to get the. I adjust.
Yeah.
Zoom, you stretch out to get the candles.
Okay.
I seen it. So this is how you just.
Okay. Yeah.
So let's proceed. Now, I said you are going to go to your what? The daily time frame. You can start with the monthly, depending on the range of what you want to work with. So let's say you go to the daily first. Now you adjust your charts. I seen it. You adjust. Now I'm done adjusting this. Now, if you look at this thing now, you look at the weeks. Now you make use of the horizontal what? Line tool. If you remember, the horizontal line tool. This is the horizontal line. I seen it. So you click on it. I seen it. Horizontal line tool.
Yeah, under which
Underline this line here. The first
okay.
after first head, the next here, just click on this drop down. I seen it.
Okay.
Then you select horizontal line.
Yeah.
Now I've added my horizontal line to my favorite. So now remember, you look out for the week. Look at this week now. Your chart must touch 2 or 3 places. 2 or at least 2 places.
Okay.
Now I'm taking this. I need to come to this place. Here's for you to make the thickness of the line. You can increase the thickness of the line. I've seen it. You can increase the thickness of the line. Because of it's a bigger time frame, so you make the line thicker so you can be able to interpret it when you are looking at it. Then, that being said, the click and plate has gone off. Now, the reason why I picked this zone is this. It's touching here, 1, and it's touching here, 2. This is a bigger time frame. It touched at least 2 or 3 places. Now, I'm only seeing 2 touches here. To confirm.
Joe, it's only one. No.
1 how?
It's touching. See it now.
I picked
the last one. The one is
from here. 1.
I'm
It's also resting. 2. Are you not seeing it?
I can see only one shell. Is the tick line is touching only 1 week?
It's touching.
Why the
Wait. Let me make it lighter. It's touching it. Let me start afresh so you get my point. It's touching 2.
is the broken
Let's
is
take,
the broken line that is touching 3?
wait, look at this. I not seeing this thing. It's touching here now. I not seeing this place. So if I'm taking it from this line, this particular one now here, place it. It's also touching here. It mustn't be directly like direct touch. It's touching. I not seeing what I did.
I saw it.
So it's touching it. See it. Let me undo it. See it. I seen it. It's touching 1, 2. So for now, you're only seeing 2. But for you to be able to confirm, like it's touching here. 1. Also touching here. 2. For you to confirm if this line is really correct, you refer to the previous chart. Remember, when we talk about technical analysis, it's using what? Previous existing data to determine what future market was. So now if I zoom out, I see it's touching another place. 3, 4. Let me zoom in.
Yeah.
It's touching another one here. It's touching another one around here and here. So I see that the zone is correct. Are you getting me? So this is a support.
Okay.
This is a strong support for BTC since it's coming here. And you can see we already headed to that same support again. So we're looking for a high. This market has a high tendency of doing what? Going up from this zone if it doesn't break it. Are you with me? Hope it's understood. After marking it out, if you're only getting 2 touches, you make reference to a previous chart, which is what I did. That's why I'm seeing this place. If you look at the time frame here, this is what 22nd of January. This 22nd of January. So I'll come back again. Now, still on my daily time frame, when you click on this horizontal line tool, add it to your favorites. You will see this star close to it. Click on it, it will appear somewhere here. Are you getting me? This is it. It will appear here, part of your favorite tools. So now if I'm clicking it, I won't be going to this place again to look for it. I'll just come here and click this. You understand? Now the next thing, look for resistance. Now you come here, focus on the weeks. Now look at this week. My attention is on this week, this one here. Now you can see it's touching 1. So we're going to touch 2. Then I will extend it and see where it touches again. Now pay attention. It's touching 1. I seen it. It's touching 2. Now for more confirmation, it's also touching here too, like from all this place. 3. So now you can see that at this place, this support is not acting as what? Resistance. That's what brought it back down to this place. While at this place, is acting as what? Support, because I seen is hitting it multiple times and going back up. Hit it up, hit it up. I seen it until it started coming down. Now, that being said, I've already marked out these zones. Now you look for another place. You click on the horizontal line tool again. Now I'm looking at this week. Now these ones are standing out. I'm looking at this one. Okay, this one. I'm looking at this one now. You can see this one is touching this and this. It's 1, 2. So I'm taking it here. See, I took it from this one, but using this as a reference point. This second place as a reference point here. The week as a reference point. Now, if you now check other reference points that it touched, just focus on 2 weeks first. Don't go and look for many. Just focus on 2. You understand? Point A and point B. Once you bring your cursor to them, use your eye and run across the line. If there's any other touch, if there's none, just take that 2 first. Then you make reference to what? Sorry. If you look at this place, it came and touched multiple times here. I seen it. That means this zone is correct. So let's take reference to the past and see what happened. I see what happened here. It's acted as a support that pushed this thing back up. I seen it here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
acting as a resistance zone. Acting as resistance. I seen it here broke. So hope you're getting the hang of it. Yeah, this is why I told you we needed a stable data connection because we can't be dealing with okay, now the next one I'll be taking this. This one is standing alone. This week is standing alone, but I'll be taking it. This particular week now, I'll take it. This one here, I see what I'm talking about. This, so I'll be taking this. Then let's check past data. I see what happened here. I didn't see this before I took this. I didn't see this point. One, I didn't see this. I didn't also see this too. I see that this one is correct.
Yeah.
Now, did you observe anything? Do you observe anything from this 1, 2, 3, 4 lines I've drawn? This is a daily time frame, so this time frame is big. If you observe something now, it's as if they are of equal length. I didn't measure them. From here to here, it's as if it's equal. From here to here, it's as if it's equal with this. From here to here, it's as if it's equal. Mere looking at it, I don't know if they're equal. Okay. Like mere looking at it with your eyesight.
Yeah, it looks equal.
That's one of the signs that you're getting the trends, the zones correctly. That's one of the signs. Now, mind you, this is the daily time frame. So I've already marked out from the lowest point to the highest point for now. So I've gotten the range of this market for now. I don't want to come and start going to when it was 50,000. No, for the meantime, I've gotten the range now. So in this kind of range, here is the first and the strongest support. Here is the highest level of resistance. Although we have another resistance here too, that one here. But now I've gotten the range of the market. Are you with me? Geez. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
The market. So now I'm done with the daily time frame. What do? I go over to the next time frame, which is what? 4 hours. I move from the daily now to the what? 4 hours time frame. Now coming to the 4 hours time frame, I'll have something like this. Now, if you come to the 4 hours time frame, it will look as if, since I marked this thing on the daily, you see as if it's looking as if like these zones are being respected already on the 4 hours. I seen it. I seen it's acting as you can see the support being clearly like working out clearly at this zone. Now you're seeing the support like as if I marked it. You got to this place, went up, came here, went up here, resist support, here support, here resistance. I seen it. Here resistance, here resistance. I don't know if you're getting my point. It looks as if I marked these things out from this zone. I seen it. So you can also decide to mark another zone here for your 4 hours, but make it light so you have many lines on your distance. So let's just say I'm working from June now to the current chart. So I'll pick a horizontal line. This week is standing out. I see a bunch of candles lining up here. So I'll be taking this. Now you have to change the size of this line, reduce it to maybe 3, and change the color to another color so you know that this is a 4 hours line. Do you understand? I change the size from 4 to 3. I can even change it to 2. Are you getting me? So I can be able to differentiate with my sight. That is a 4 hour zone. Now, if you look at this zone, I've already marked it out. Now, let me check if it's touching anywhere. I see it's touching here in the past now. It's also touching some places here. Let's zoom in a bit. I see it's also touching some places here. So if I should come over to this place, it has not touched anywhere. So I'll leave it. It will definitely come to that point. Now, I've already marked out the first zone, which is from here. Now, I look for another place that is standing out. Now, I'll take this horizontal line. Now, look at this place. I don't want to come and take this now. It's not as if I can't take them. I can't place it here. I can, because it's also touching here. But now it's looking very, very close, clumsy. They're looking very, very clumsy. Because although there's a zone here, there's a resistance zone here. Coffee check is touching here. It's also reacting here. But since I have a bigger zone here already, I already know it's close enough to that resistance zone. So why not look for another one here? Let me take this. I'm working with this now, this week. Now, is touching point 1. This is my first point of reference. It's touching here too. 2. I've already gotten 2 confirmations. Now for me to check if it's correct, let's work with me. I see it's touching another place here. 3. So it's touching another places here. I seen it. I seen it. And now it's not as if it's too clumsy or too close to each other. Are you getting me? If we still make okay, I seen it just acting as a resistance here. 4.
Okay. Is this still within the 4 hours frame?
Yes, within the 4 hours frame. Now, even if I zoom out now and check other places, you can see other touches too. So this zone is really, really, really correct. That is, if I'm making reference to the past data is touching here. I saw the spot I marked yellow. It's also touching here. Still touching here too. So it's not too close to each other, and it's not too. The zone is working for me. So now I will now look for another place. Let me say this week is standing out. This particular week here, I'm looking at this week. So I'll just add one there. Here. I see it's also touching here now. Like it nearly touched it here. It nearly touched it here. I seen it. Now, and it's not looking as if from point A to B is equal, from here to here is equal. It's a sign you're getting the zone right. So let's make reference. Now look at our reference point again. This is our reference point A. Our starting line is our base, our origin. And this is another reference point. Let's still keep going. Let's keep going. I see here it's acting as a strong resistance now. So the zone is correct, right?
Yeah.
Now pay attention again. I only drew 3 lines so that I don't get clumsy. Now watch from here to here and from here to here. They seem as if they are equal. Men looking at it with your sight, right? I told you analysis is of different types. What you mark out and what you can see with your eyes. With my eyes, I'm seeing that this thing seems as if they're equal from here to here. And from here, this next red line to this next red line. You look as if they're equal, right? That is a sign you're getting the zones correctly. So I'll clear this again. I'll clear this. So now I'm done with my 4 hours time frame. I'm done with my 4 hours time frame. So I can decide to go to the 1 hour time frame and do the same thing. Now you're working with the current position of the chart, because from the 4 hours now we were getting to what, 4th June or 1st of June. That is around 25th of June. Around here, sorry, 10th of June. But when you go to the smaller time frame, it brings you to a more immediate time frame, because if you can start marking out those lines from 1 hour zone from June, you will get like 10-20 lines. Do you understand? Because this analysis is what you do every day. If you check the zone has been broken, you can update it. Updating it means if there's a new week out, you can delete some and add a new one. You understand? Are you following?
Yeah, I am.
So now, since I'm on the 1 hour time frame, I'm only working from with what I can see. Let me say I'm working from where? From the 9th of July till what date? That's where I'll be taking my zones from. I won't come and be going to January.
From 9th of July to what?
What I mean, look at the range. If you look at this place, what we are seeing now is 9th of July now. I see, look at the date. Look at the date at this base. I see the date.
What I'm seeing is 12 from, I'm seeing 12, 14, 16, 19.
8th July. Look at this dark box. 9, 8. I mean, what we are seeing, we are getting.
Yes.
Here now, I'm talking about this box now. I don't want to go against. I'm start going to go. It's not as if I won't get lines here, or I won't get lines here. I get it. It's not as if I can get a line from the system of the board. It will make you more tedious for you. Before you draw line, you will see many, because the smaller the time frame, as I said, the more the zones you get. Are you getting me? So you'll be working on a smaller time frame. You'll be working with a more present chart, which is this. That's why I said from the 9th of what? Look at it. This is on the 8th from here now, 9th to what? 20 something. Are you with me? So that's why I said that we'll be working with more recent chart because the time frame are getting smaller, the more the zone. So I will come here, click on my horizontal line, look for the week to take. Okay, let me take this one is standing out currently, this one, this week. So I might just take it. Now I need to change the size to the least size, or let me say 2x. I'll change the color to something else. Let me say pink, or let me use which color? Let me use dark blue. I seen it. Now I'll go up to this level. I'm seeing another zone here. There's a sign of resistance here. I seen it here. Follow my eyes, follow my cursor. I seen it. So I'll click here and place here. It's touching here. Look at the reference point. Remember, I'm focusing on this as the origin point, but reference point is also touching here. I seen it. So touching somewhere here. Now I've already gotten 2. Now if I make back reference, I'm seeing another touch here again. So it's correct. Are you with me? Yeah. So I'll continue. Now the chart is going down, so I'll be drawing the lines and be coming down. You understand? So I look for another zone. Let's say here, this one are here, or but they are too close. I can just use this week now, for example, this one, and place it. It nearly touched here, and here on the 1 hour. Then the last one I can get currently is this, because this one is too close to this red line, so I can just ignore it. I'll be picking this. Now, aside not picking, okay, I can even also pick this. If I pick this one now, it's the same thing. This is a smaller time frame, so you get more zones here. Now, if you pay attention again, they are of the same size visually. Are you seeing what I'm? Yeah, they are the same size visually. Because see it now. Maybe it's the color I use, but the color is not that bright. But you can try to use any color of your choice. So you can either stop on the 1 hour time frame, because the lower time frame you get for currency pair, 1 hour time frame is okay. Because now you can see that if I zoom in, remember what I thought about this now, stretching in and stretching out. Let me set it very well. I think it's more bold. Look at this place, here to here to here to here. Looking as if they're of the same size visually. Are you getting me? Like here is now acting as a support. The market has moved from here, got to this red line and rejected. Now it's coming back where? To this support. From here, you can decide to buy it again, back up. I seen it. Now this is what is. Remember how you identify trend on the smaller time frame, right? The same thing happened. The time frames, whether they major or minor, they both work what? Hand in hand. It's not as if one is more relevant than another, because if you can't spot it forming earlier, you can't be able to catch it in the bigger scale. So don't ignore any of the time frame. Now, the analysis I did, you can call it top-down analysis, because I started with a bigger time frame, which is the daily. I move over to the what? To the 4 hours. 4 hours. Then from the 4 hours down to the 1 hour, which is this. You are seeing this, so you can zoom in now. You are getting the clearer picture. Any questions?
No, not yet.
All right. So that is how you mark the zones, and that's how the zones respect. This is how you mark your resistance and support. So with that being said, for your assignment, you go to your charts, your trading view charts. Now, when you come to your trading view chart, if you come to this box, you are seeing symbol search. I see this box, symbol search. Just type in symbol.
I can't see. I can't see your cursor.
I'm in this box here.
Sorry, where is your cursor? Can you shake it so I will know where it is?
What I'm marking on the screen. I'm not seeing it.
I can't see the cursor. I'm trying to locate it.
Also, I'm circling it for you to see it. I don't see what I'm circling here.
No. Okay, I've seen it. Seen it.
Can you follow this arrow now? I mean, on this box is a search button. You come to this box and click the symbol Euro USD, BTC USD to take you to any chart. So you go and select any chart of your choice. Let's say you click Euro USD. When you're done typing it, just click enter. It will take you to the chart. Click on enter.
So please, can you come again? Can you come again? I lost it.
I said if you come to this box, if you want to analyze any chart, if you come to this box, search something, clear it on this search, type the symbol of the asset you want to check. Like the one we just did is BTC EUR. After typing it, look at what I typed. I see what I typed here, BTC EUR. Are you seeing it here now? I see what I typed. Then just click enter.
Yeah, I can see it.
Take it to the chart. Click on enter. Take it. You click enter when you're done typing. Enter. That's taking you back to the chart you analyzed. I seen it. So for you to analyze any chart for your assignment, you are going to do this thing and send to me. You are going to do it and send to me. Either you snap it with your phone and send it to me. So you come here, click the chart you want to analyze. I'll send you the chart to analyze. You click Euro USD. After typing it in on the search, you click what? Enter. It takes you to a new chart. Now, if you look at this place, the symbol has changed. The chart has also done what? Changed. Are you with me? So now, if you want to check another chart, you come here again, you clear this out and write, let's say, BTC USD. Enter. It takes you to another chart. I seen it. Yeah, so this is how you're going to do. So for this purpose of this class, you are going to be analyzing BTC USD chart from exactly what we have done from the daily BTC USD, from the daily 4 hours and 1 hour. Once you are done analyzing it, you do what? You zoom out on your 1 hour like this and take a picture and send to me. Like this. I seen this zoom, this view. 1 hour. You take it a picture with your phone because you are doing this with your what? With your what? Laptop.
I should do what?
You are doing this assignment with your laptop.
How do I enter through my laptop? I'll go to TradingView, right?
Yes, www.tradingview.com. Log in and click on what? Chat. It will bring you to the chat.
That's www.tradingview.com.
Yes, the same account you created. You log in and click on what? Chat.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Once you log into your account, you
Hello?
come.
Please come again. I didn't get you.
Go to the website. Remember the account you created and sent to me. Go to the website www.tradingview.com. Once you log in your account, you click on chat. For instance, let me show you. Let me do it now. Watch me. I see my chat. Watch. Tradingview.com. I seen it. It will bring you here. Where you have your profile, you have your just here. Now, what you need to do, the next thing you need to do is what?
Hello, Joe. Please, Joe. I went off and I just came back. I totally lost all you said.
I said
Starting from where you said
tradingview.com. It will bring you to this page. Once you're on this page,
okay.
Next thing you do, you check if it's your account that is logged in. Check if you put your profile picture on your name, your username. You can click menu to check. Once you are done with that, you click on this place, chat. On this chat, the chat will now take you to that view that we have. Once I click chat now, it will bring you to that place where I taught you the tools to use. Here, I see. Then from here, you put in the symbol of the pair you want to work with, which I told you are working with what? BTC USD. You type in BTC USD, enter. You will see the chart. Then you start doing what? Analyzing from the daily, 4 hours, and 1 hour. Is that correct? Then when you click on this line 2,
yes,
start these tools, horizontal line 2, you click on it to be your favorite tool. You'll be able, so you can easily see it. So it will be easily, listen, it will be easily easily accessible for you. So that is it.
Mm,
Any questions?
okay. No question. So I should just give you the resistance and the support.
That's exactly what we did. I want you to go and do it on your own on BTC USD chart and send to me.
Mm, okay. Okay. All right. So I would indicate each, for example, I will indicate each zone with different colors, right?
Yes. The reason for doing that, so you can be able to know that this red one is my major zone, this one is a
Mm,
1 hour zone. This, and remember, also know that the sizes of the lines are also different. We have ×3, we have ×2, ×1. So the bigger the zone, the thicker the line.
okay. Okay. Okay.
All right.
All right now. Yeah, thank you. I will send it to you by tomorrow.
All right. Once you are done with that, we'll move over to the next phase.
Okay. All right. No problem. Yeah. Thank you very much.
If you can be able
Yeah.
to do as many as possible, once I've confirmed the first one, if you can be able to do as many as possible, because I will give you more to do. So once I'm sure you have
Okay.
progress.
Perfected it.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Now.
Okay. All right.
Good
All
night.
right. Thank you very much.